You know, it's easy to be good when things are good. It's easy to do things easily when things are easy. We can be quite comfortable when things are comfortable. But we often don't know how far we can go and how far we can stretch when things are easy. And so I look at a year like this year as, yes, challenging, tough, a bit of a pain to be honest, but also I look at a year like this year as an opportunity as well. An opportunity to see what we're made of. We as a school community were faced with quite a challenge at the beginning of the year. We had two choices. One was to drop our bundle, or the second is to take it on. You, each and every one of you, your teachers, those that support them, your families, decided to step up and take it on. When things got a bit tough, you got tougher. When things got a bit intense, you lifted the intensity. When things needed character, you showed it. I have never been prouder of you or this school than I have this year. Proud of the fact that you took it on in good cheer, made the best of it, and in fact did more than that. You excelled in it. You didn't just endure this year, you made sure you did well this year. You showed exception. You showed good humour. You looked after each other. That's a measure of character. Do you know if we don't have a tough year, if things are easy all the time, we don't know how tough we can get, how good we can get, how much we can lift, and how much character we have. Well, you showed it in spades this year. I hope you're getting that message loud and clear from your teachers, and I know you are, and loud and clear from us. I'm proud of you. Proud of the fact that, yeah, you found it tough at times, but you didn't drop your bundle. We now know how tough and how good you can get. Guess what? You can stand up to and face year 12 knowing what your capacity is, and your capacity is quite powerful in my book. It's not just, yeah, we can do it. You can do it well. It's not just, yeah, we can pass. No, you can handle it with distinction, because a tough year and you did it well. So from me, I'm proud of each and every one of you. Proud of what you've been able to achieve this year. Proud of the fact that you showed character, bit of guts, bit of determination, hard work, good humour, and you found time to look after each other. Who wouldn't want to work in a school like that? And the last thing I'd say is this. When we miss something, we know how much we miss it. We missed having you here. I'm sure you miss school and your schoolmates and being here and doing things that you want to do. We found out this year just how much this school means to us. Just how much this community means to us. Just how much each and every one of you mean to us. So, I don't look at 2020 in a negative way. I see that as a chance to stop, pause and work out what's important. We're proud of each and every one of you. You've shown what you can do, you've shown you've got what it takes, and we can look forward to next year with a lot of positive energy in the room, because you know you can do it. And not just do it, but do it well. Well done, everyone. That's to you and to your teachers. Well done. And I look forward to 2021 with such a group as leaders in our school. And I mean that. I look at 2021 with such a group as leaders in our school. We're going to have a great year next year. I hope you have a great holiday. Merry Christmas. Happy New Year. Have a great break. And I look forward to seeing you in 2021. Thank you.